in the Netherlands. I've been home from Korea for a few days now, 2 days. And in those 2 days, I've been working, washing my clothes, cleaning up all my spaces, and prepping because tomorrow I'm going to Amsterdam for 3 days and I have three events to attend to. I'm hosting an event as well. It's comeback day. There's so much going on, and at the same time, it's really, really busy with work. Right now, it's 6:30 on the Wednesday. I have PR packages to unbox. I also dyed my hair today. Something exciting came in the mail. So tomorrow I have to drop off all that thousands of freebies that I've been cutting. I have like a blister on this finger and it hurts, and I still have to cut like the 500 remaining freebies tonight, I think. But I'm going to the Wicked movie tomorrow. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Outfits for Libet and Quokka. Oh my god, these are their Wicked outfits. It looks so cute. Oh, I'll put the username on screen right now, but she makes the most amazing custom outfits. So I asked her if she could create like a cute set of outfits for Quokka and Libet. And she always delivers. She always delivers. I think she has a Vinted account with some like existing outfits, but you can also message her to get anything like custom. Cute. Don't mind my nails. I was like angry today and I cut them really short. Like that's what I always do. But yeah, these outfits are for tomorrow. I'll show you some of the posters. All the other freebies are downstairs right now, I think. But I got all these posters made that you saw in the daily vlog. So gorgeous. Work has been so insanely busy, it's crazy. Tomorrow is still kind of a chill day. I also need to, on my way to Amsterdam in a train, I need to edit a few videos for clients. Like one of the companies I work for has been nominated for the App Store Awards today, so that's really, really exciting. Yeah, there's a few collabs I filmed when I was in Korea and I'm gonna edit them tomorrow in the train. They're all for Black Friday and it's coming up soon. Friday is kind of an insane day. It's comeback day and I'm hosting this event at Chatime in Amsterdam, but also in Utrecht. So in the morning I'm filming videos at Velvet Amsterdam, which is one of the participating stores in the event. So then I can like get the albums, film the unboxings, film the collaboration videos. Then chat time opens, I'll be there to create some content because Libet's going to work, you know. Then I'm having lunch with Tufan. I'm very excited to see her again. And after the lunch we're going to a Lico event. I'm very excited. They also sent me a PR package. Oh, and I still need to open it, but I need good light for it. But I'm just so busy with work. And after that event, I have another event. It's a Wicked event by Universal. And I'm allowed to bring Chauvin as my +1. So that is really exciting as well. And then the day after on Saturday, I'll have to see how tired I am. But my plan was on the way back, I'm traveling past Utrecht to create some videos there for Varia World, the other participating store. I've missed my iPad so much. It's crazy. It's like storming outside the whole week. But yeah, I'm excited to do all these things the upcoming days, but then it's resting time. Well, not really, because it's 4:15 and work is just really busy. Finally back in the Netherlands. I'm so happy because I'm a homebody, even though I have to leave the house tomorrow again. I just made it to the room. As always, Citizen M. I got such a good price this time. Usually Citizen M is kind of expensive, guys, but even when you have a membership, but because they just joined Marriott, like the hotel group, they had this like special offer, so that's why I got 2 nights instead of 1. But yeah, same room as always, just really compact shower, toilet, desk area. I worked during the whole train ride here and I have to go right now. This is basically my overnight bag and this is everything I need to drop off. So like all the freebies are in here. And Sharon's coloring book that I got for her in Korea. Can't wait to see her. Oh, and I need to get my Liebit and Kok out of the bag because we're going to film a video at Chatime for their Wicked promotion. But yeah, let's start the day. Well, the day is half over, but you know. So I'm here at Chatime, the Chatime location in Amsterdam, where we did our last event as well. We're just setting up everything right now. Liebit is wearing his Chatime outfit, so cute. We're just putting up the posters now, and we split all the freebies because we have Utrecht and Amsterdam. But yes, it's currently Wicked, which is so cute, and I got a little Wicked drink. So here are all the freebies for the other store. Posters, my Wicked drink. I had the Witch's Blend, so there's also strawberry in there, but you can't really see that anymore. And this location has a belt. So cute. Sharon is here! She got us tissues for Wicked.
Mijn hele tas is
Het grote tas.
Ja.
Oh, ze gaan niet tegelijk, zie je dat? Oh, dat was zo schattig! We're here at Duncan. Waar is hij? Oh, wacht. Nee, Simone.
So cute.
Period. Look what I got. Ooh, period. Look how cute the packaging is. This is the design. Look how cute. Black and white. Like my Sharon got me goodies. These are the star things I like that I always get in the UK. And Sharon found a hot chocolate version of it. I'm getting my first Labubu.
You gotta like, you know, pick your favorites. This is like mint on.
Ja, ik vind de hele bovenste rij sowieso leuk. Ja, ik vind blauw ook leuk. Bruin is ook wel weer.
Maar als je er dingen omheen doet, dus kussen
oh ja.
Dan is zeg maar die bruine en zo ook wel nice. Daarover hakken.
Grapje.
Ja.
I'm new guys, I'm new.
Welke denk je dat het is?
Roze.
Ja!
I'm back in the room. I forgot my toothbrush and my toothpaste, so I bought a new one. I cut my nails way too short the other day that it almost hurts, you know? But sometimes when I start feeling them, I just like, I rage and I cut them really short. I had a really nice day. It's only 10:30 right now, which is really early for me. I have this really nice rhythm going of me going to sleep around 11 and waking up at like 6. So I'm gonna try and do that now. I low-key have so much work to do. I feel like even I get tired of saying it in these vlogs. So I can imagine that you're like, girl, you're always yapping about work. But yeah, work is just really busy. And I should low-key do some work now, even though I worked in between every moment today. And I also just finished another hour of work. But yeah, there's just so much to do. But I'm just gonna choose to sleep. I'm not gonna be happy with that decision tomorrow when everyone's messaging me and when I'm behind on everything and there's new stuff coming in, but right now I choose my nice sleeping schedule. Good morning. I just did my nails, but I did it really roughly and now it's like, it's all like damaged. I was getting my memory card out of this camera because I was editing. I'm just uploading the vlog for today so that as soon as I leave the house, I don't have to worry about this vlog going live. And it's comeback day. I'm so excited. When you look for Stray Kids on TikTok, you get this. That's so cool. I've already gotten ready. I was up at like 6:30 and I've just been working but also listening to the tunes. Like Divine is so my jam. I'm obsessed, and I also watched the MV and it looks so good. But yeah, it's an exciting day. The album sounds so good. I'm really excited. Let's schedule this for today and then head out the door. We're at chat time. We put these posters up last night. And on the screens you can see the video. We ordered a drink. I ordered a wicked drink again. And look how beautiful Sungmin looks. Fake Skazooz. Cute. With Tufan eating lunch. We just arrived. Stop. Zo was flesje mee. She lost her camera. Tufan's ready to vlog with her professional camera. Now we're finally at the table. We're here making bag charms, but not really bag charms because we got the SPF and it already has a hole, so we can like... I probably want to do this one because it reminds me of Felix. Oh my god, stop. Zo schattig, hè? This one's for Sharon. It's almost 6 and we're at the next event. It's cute.
I need a warm cup of tea.
We were just at the event and we got a poster and a cover for your record player.
Yes.
And some other little things. It's really cold. No, we didn't win the quiz. Look at us at the terrace. You know, November terrace chillings. Love. Oh. She's filming. There she goes.
Where's all the stuff? Jij weet het niet ondertussen.
Ja. Oh, de... Ah, ja, Lino! Is het... Ja, het is Felix.
Klaar. Doe jij?
We got our tea.
Maar ik zie... Zou ik guessen hoe het is? Ja. Guessen aan jullie reactie.
Wat zeg je? Wat voelt je?
Oh.
Slay.
Wie is het?
Wie denk dat was heel lastig. De energy. Het eerste wat ik dacht was IN. Nee. Is het Sangmin?
Nee.
Is het Han?
Nee.
Is het Felix?
Nee.
Girl.
Oh. I know someone who will.
Ja, jij sowieso.
Ja. Nou? Ja.
Ja.
Ah! Period.
Oh my god. Hello. Good morning. Leavitt is still in his cute dress. I have to leave in like 15 minutes. Then it's checkout time. I wanted to show you my cute bag charm that I made yesterday at the event. We got this SPF for free and it already had a hole in here. And then I just added these Stray Kids beads, and you could choose from all these cute little animals, but I chose this one because it reminded me of Felix. Bye. It's just so cute. Look. Yeah, I'm just like getting all my things. I'm gonna put on my solid perfume. It smells so good. I'm so tired. I have so much stuff to carry. I don't have like a little suitcase or anything, but I already showed you what's in here. And then, oh, this one's so heavy because it has albums in there. This is a full package of chocolates that one of you guys gave me at the Cha Time event yesterday. Oh my god, I love chocolate. There are celebrations, merci, and like those kind of like Christmas type chocolates in here. Bro, I needed this. And this is one of those covers for on your record player. And then we also got these cute buttons. I'm meeting up with Bart, my brother, in Utrecht in like an hour. But yeah, I have to bring all of this. Yesterday I had lunch with Tufan and she brought me some Bissou goodies. I think these are like doubles that she had. So I'm very excited to try them out. Thank you, Tufan. This is a heavy bag. I should have brought like a little suitcase, but I didn't want to carry that around. But in Utrecht, they have those lockers at the station. So that's what I'm gonna use. Look at this charging situation. Like, it's holding on for dear life over there so it can reach. But I was like, if I charge it, I can work a little bit in the train. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. I think checkout is in like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna go. I just dropped off my luggage in here and then I get a ticket and then I can pick it up after me and my brother are done shopping. We're at Cha Time in Utrecht to get a drink.